Hey everybody, we are back from getting our tattoos, plural, because we got two. Anyways, so my makeup held up pretty well considering two things. I had to stand outside in 90-degree heat for an hour waiting for the shop to open because it's walk-in day. So like if you're not there at like first, you'll be hours waiting to get your tattoo done. So, and it's been about 6 hours. Plus, I was face down like this because I was getting the back of my legs done. Anyways, I did post a picture of it so that everyone can see. It was actually more painful than I thought back there. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to clean up this little desk area because I can't find nothing. So what we're going to do is, I stopped at the post office on my way out the door, or out of the county, should I say, and I had mail. Shocking. I haven't been getting a lot of mail lately because I've been trying to calm my butt down. But I did have some mail today, and what I was going to do is, we're just going to do an old-fashioned what's in the mail video. How's that? Because we haven't done that in a long time. Not going to make it. Not going to make it. Alright. So, now that I've cleaned that mess up, and I've got a fresh Diet Coke right here. Nothing sounds better. Alright. So, the first thing in my box of boxes is a package from DSW. I do know what this is. It actually came very fast. Had a coupon to DSW and these were on sale. So, because of my diabetes, like, it's just, sometimes my feet just give me a hard time, right? You guys understand. They just give me a heck of a time. So I have to be very careful, just to make sure that I don't injure my feet because I'm a diabetic. So when I start acting up, I put compression socks on and all of the above. And then I normally wear my Doc Martens. So I said, I need a pair of rose gold ones because they're just precious. I also got a pair of white ones. They're not here yet. So I'm very fortunate with Docs. I'm in the same size no matter what I get. So yeah, rose gold Docs. This is just my contacts. These are my Hummel contacts. I really do like them. It's easy. It's convenient. Then we have Ipsy, which we'll do later. I have a destroyed BoxyCharm. You know, the post office is really a piece of work sometimes. And it's not the post office like your local. It's the places it goes through. They just throw crap around. So, yeah. And then, well, I have regular mail, but you don't care about that. Nobody cares about regular mail. And then I think I have some little other things. So let's just see what we got in the goodie bags. I don't know. Sometimes I order for my friend Audra. Sometimes for me. Sometimes for my little pook. And you guys know my little pook is Sarah. We're going to take a picture and send it to her because I know that'll make her happy. And I love making my little baby happy. I love making my little Sarah happy. So I'm just texting her a picture of it saying, look whose leggings came. You guys know that, like, it's just what I do. If I see somebody get excited about something and I can get my hands on it, I just get it. I'm like, why wouldn't I want to make somebody happy, right? Ryan's Correctamundo. Let me see what this is. This is LuLaRoe as well. You can tell by the labels. I ordered this thing twice, and I'm irritated about it. That's okay. I'll give Pookie one. She'll get 2 presents. She doesn't even know. So this is a Shirley, like it's like a kimono type thing, and this is actually in a knit, almost like a sweater material, and it goes down to about your knees. So I will give that to my little Pookie, because I know I have an extra one in here because my silly ass bought 2. I didn't realize I bought 2, so I was looking at something this morning. Yeah. Until I was looking at something this morning. And this is another LuLaRoe. And sometimes, like I said, I just see stuff, and whether it's for me or my girlfriends, like I'm like, ooh, I bet so-and-so would really like that. So I found another Shirley kimono. This is more what they are, like a sheer, just like you would think a kimono is. But how cute is that? Like with a black pair of pants and maybe like a red or a white sweater. Like, hello. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah. That's not going to Pookie. Mommy gets to keep that. I got a bunch of buttons in my package. And I got a Twizzler. I often send you Twizzlers. I don't know why. My little Pookie, my little Pookie. She'll get mad at me because I bought those leggings for her. She'll get over it. She'll get over it. Here is the other sweater. I won't take this one out of the bag because I know what it is. Just get it out of this package. Let's just make sure. What size is this one? It's medium. They're both exactly the same, so that is going to my girl. My little girl Pook. Everybody should have a Pook. You just can't have mine. You can't have my Pook. This is what I think it is. It's a Maria dress. A hot pink Maria dress. That's what it is. If it is what I think. Which would look fabulous. It's not. Where is that dress at? Oh, this is so this is another thing very similar to this, but this is a Sarah. You know, kind of like my Pookie. And so this is more just like a long duster cardigan. And, you know, so I'm got a couple of dresses headed my way with these colors in them. And we'll make it work. As cold as my office is, you need that stuff. I don't know what that is. It just flew across the thing. And then I got some mail. Do we want to talk about mail? Because, like, mail, I hate mail. I feel like I have to talk about it with somebody. Like, seriously? Get over yourself. Lord help me, Jesus. I hate mail. So no kidding, I was in and out of the tattoo shop like that. Was amazing. That's my Levenger catalog. We're gonna hang on to that. This is trash. This is trash. This is trash. I love throwing mail in the trash. It really makes me mad that they send all this mail to you because you know you got an email like 5 friggin' times. So yeah. So I get irritated about it, but you know, and normally I throw it away. Except you shouldn't throw it away because this here is a little check where the hospital overcharged me for one of my visits. Now that's amazing. I don't understand what this is. It was just a statement. That's strange. I know what this is. I know what this is. trash. See how it's trash. How quickly we go through the mail. So yeah, that's what I got. I got Sarah's leggings and 3 things for me. And there's a couple more things coming. I bought, like last night, I bought something. Listen, do not pay full price for LuLaRoe. Get on Facebook and just look up LuLaRoe, and there's all these clearance and 70% off of this or 80% off of that. Like, just trust me. There's even the good patterns. You gotta go through all the stuff. It's some work. But if you can get 80% off of, you know, something that costs like $48, so you get it for basically $10, go through it. All right. So that, yes, is my little mail haul for the day. And we will be back going through our BoxyCharm and our Ipsy bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.